welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do unboxing of the Young Living Essential Oils. So just an information for all of you, I am not yet a user of Young Living Essentials, so I'm not officially a reviewer or commenter about this product, but I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And by the way, I am in Riyadh and we ordered it online, and as you all know, Young Living can only be ordered through the official website of the Young Living, and it will only come from the United States. So I ordered it like last week, about Monday, and I received it in less than a week. Imagine that, how fast is this? And they are sending the packages through DHL Express, so it will really come to you before 1 week at least. So let's open the package. Let's see what we got here. So when you open the package, you're gonna find the official receipt for your purchase of the Young Living, and you're gonna find like a newspaper about Young Living Essential Oils. So we're gonna read it later on. So we got this. So this is from our Fieldster family, 26 years young. It's nice. Let's see what else is in here. We're gonna find a Getting Started Essential Oils brochure. So I think this will guide you how you're going to use your essential oils. We will read it all later on. So another one is this. I purchased the Desert Mist because they had this promo. So from $168 to $148 or like $143. I forgot the price, but wait, let me look at the oh, it's really $148 there. So that's the receipt. So I grabbed the chance for the promo because I think it will save me from the shipping fee also, like because the shipping fee from US to Riyadh is like $16. So I think I save a bit for it. So what else in the box? Let me remove that for you. There. So what else is in here? Oh, there's a product guide catalog. Yeah, so you got this with a box and Clean Living. See? So you know guys, when you're like getting in the old age, like you're about to be in your mid-30s or going there, but I'm not saying that that's my age. Yeah. You are more fond of a comfortable room, a more relaxing ambience, you know, because most of the time you are stressed at work, so you are looking for something that will relax you more whenever you go home after work. So I think this will benefit a lot for me and for my family. So let's start opening it up. Let's keep all the catalogs aside. Start opening this one. By the way, I'm not promoting I'm not promoting Young Living as of now because I haven't used it and tried it myself, but I'm just showing you what the package looks like when you purchase one of it. So it goes like this. Ta-da! Oh, what's in there? Let's see. It's just about the Premier starter kit with essential oils. What are the contents and everything? So you're gonna see it when you open this box, and you're gonna see what are the oils that's inside it, and what's the content of each essential oils. You're gonna see it all here. Wait, let me show you. There. So let's start opening this. It's not a slogan, it's our calling. Sweet. So how to open this thing? I think it's like, oh, so there's something like, oh, something like this on the side. You're gonna open like this. Wow. I love the smell of it. Smells good. And here on the side, I think I can stand it. Make it stand. Here on the side, you're gonna find another brochure which will show you everything about the essential oils. Also in the back side. There you go. Oh my god, even this catalog has its smell. Anyway, let's see. So this is what this box contains. Is there anything else inside? Wait, I forgot to check. Oh, there's this thing, so I think there's something more inside. Let's see. Is there something more inside of this thing? No. So it's just, I think, like this to make it stand or something. So there's still more inside. Oh, there's more, guys. You got this inside. You have this Ningxia. Oh my god, I don't know if I just pronounce it correct or no. I don't know. Just comment down below if I don't, because it's really my first time to say this thing. So there's also, how do you pronounce this thing? Thieves or Thieves? There's like this. Wait, let me show you. There's this thing, and it's said that it's waterless, something like that, with peppermint oil and moisturizing aloe. It's a hand sanitizer, guys. There. So you got this, and you got how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, they're 10. So there's 10 pieces of hand sanitizer. The thieves. I don't know how it's pronounced, honestly. Anyway, you got this 10 small packs, and you got this there. This is a spray, essential oil infused. Thieves, whatever. So you got one of this thing, and you got, I think this will be my favorite. There, it's called Stress Away. And you got another one, which is a Peace and Calming. I think this These oils will be more likely my favorite. Peas and cumin. Okay. And you're gonna have this thing. You know, I saw a lot of reviews about this thing. Ningxia Red. I don't know if it's really pronounced correctly. It's a essential oil infused wolfberry supplement. So it's a supplement, oh, with a very few calories, like only 25 amounts per serving. You'll get 2 of this there. I think that's it. That's everything inside. So you're gonna have peppermint, lemon, thieves, citrus fresh, digees, I don't know if it's pronounced correctly, digees, I don't know, raven, valor, panaway, lavender, and frankincense. Frankincense? I think it's frankincense. So there you go. That's what the package contains for the essential oils. So let's try to open this one. This is the Desert Mist. This is the one on promo lately, and it cost like $148 from $168. I think the offer ends already. So if you guys didn't grab it, oh my god, you're gonna regret it. Kidding. So when you open the box, you're gonna see this. There's like a caution, attention, something like that. And there's a user manual for it, I think, on how to use it, on how to set it up. There you go. So we're gonna see how. So inside looks like this. Let's try to remove the box. I think I need to make a space or a place for this one just beside my bed. So you got this box. I think this is the power supply. Yeah, there you go. There's a power supply, and this is, there's a tape. Cutie! You gotta be careful removing it from the box. So it looks like this. There's like a light and a turn on and off button. You know, I really don't know how to use this thing, but let me try to open and see what's inside. Oh, so there's like this thing. We can keep this aside. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, so there's like this inside of it, and this thing. So I think we will put everything in here. All our oils, essential oils. So there. And this one is like this. So there you go, guys. This is mainly what's inside the box and the package. And now I'm going to try it with the I'm gonna choose if I want a stress away or something to remove my headache. I will try and I will show you later on, and I will give a review about this product. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.